Hello and welcome. We have got something exciting to share with you today. Take a look at this. These are hard checks that come in every single day, every single week, every single month like clockwork. This is absolutely incredible. If you are looking for an instant cash side hustle that does not require special skills, experience, or a lot of your time, you're in the right place. A virtually unknown website is paying out instant $100 checks multiple times per day. Imagine getting hard checks in the mail or PayPal deposits daily from an amazing opportunity that anyone can do, including you. How is this money being made? Simple. It's a high demand product that people are going to buy no matter what. Business owners will always spend money on their business. That's where we step in. JobOpp is a cash producing asset that pays you $100 bills. What is JobOpp? An online business opportunity and advertising service that was actually established in the 90s, if you can believe it. JobOpp is owned by Mr. Joseph Iorio. The website sells a real, tangible product that everyone needs, and it's in high demand. JobOpp is a complete turnkey business that pays out $100 and $50 cash commissions 7 days a week for its members. With JobOpp, no experience or special skills are required. The company sets up everything for you. JobOpp is available worldwide. JobOpp pays you in cash or check. You decide. If you are looking for a worldwide global opportunity that pays you in cash, $100 bills and $50 bills, JobOpp may just be the solution that you are in search of. What is the product at JobOpp? The product is advertising, a targeted solo ad campaign that will be sent to 250,000 prospects. When you join JobOpp, you'll receive your own JobOpp affiliate sales page, lead capture pages, and email follow-up service. You may advertise any website, landing page, or opportunity that you wish. And yes, you may even choose to advertise your JobOpp business. Your JobOpp webpage provides a valuable product. This is why the program works. Share your JobOpp opportunity page and collect $100 and $50 cash commissions. Every online business needs traffic. Well, JobOpp provides traffic for business owners. People are earning $100 bills multiple times a day with this website. JobOpp has been paying its members for over 25 years. You want to talk about a track record? When someone joins JobOpp from your custom-coded webpage, they are purchasing an advertising campaign. Each time this happens, you get paid. You can start earning money within minutes with JobOpp. You get your very own JobOpp webpage that does the explaining, training, and selling for you. Yes, it even collects those cash commissions too. Getting paid from JobOpp equals no waiting. After the sale is processed, you'll be paid the same day. JobOpp pays you via PayPal using your email on file or via check if that's your preference. JobOpp will send out a campaign to 250,000 prospects to any webpage, landing page, affiliate link, or your new JobOpp opportunity page itself. When others purchase a JobOpp page from you, they receive their own JobOpp site and advertising campaign. Each time this happens, you earn a $100 bill. That is awesome. People are earning $100 bills multiple times per day with their JobOpp website, and so can you. Plus, earn endless $50 bonus commissions from your team's sales for life. 2 personal sales per day would pay you $6,000 per month, and that doesn't even count the $50 referral sales bonuses. This is an instant cash business that pays you $150 payments. JobOpp is an all-cash business that pays you daily. When we sign up for JobOpp, this is what happens. Number 1, we are a customer of an advertising service. Number 2, we are an affiliate for the JobOpp product. JobOpp pays you a generous commission, $100 on your direct sales, $50 on your indirect sales. You are paid $100 cash commissions on your personal sales, no waiting for your money. You're paid immediately via PayPal or check. We are also paid $50 instant cash commissions on our second generation sales. Once again, no waiting for your money. You're paid immediately via PayPal or check. How much can you earn? 1 sale a day on average? How about $3,000 a month? 2 sales would net you $6,000 a month, and 3? How about $9,000 a month? Each and every single time someone visits your JobOpp page and makes a purchase, that's a $100 bill into your pocket. Each and every single time that someone that you refer to JobOpp makes a sale, that's a $50 cash bonus into your pocket. This is an all-cash business. Let's recap. JobOpp is a home-based business opportunity that pays you $100 per sale. Earn unlimited $50 bonuses on all your customer sales. You receive your own coded to you JobOpp webpage. Lead capture pages, email follow-up campaign are included. Solo ad will be sent out to 250,000 prospects to an offer of your choice. The product, guys, it's targeted solo ad campaign that will be sent to 250,000 prospects. You decide what you want to advertise. JobOpp is a complete turnkey business that can generate instant cash commissions plus traffic packages for your online offers. JobOpp is also jam-packed with training, advertising tools, ad copy, banner ads, and more. JobOpp is a turnkey business that is 100% ready to go. How do you get started with JobOpp? One-time fee gets you everything. There's no monthly fees involved. You get your own JobOpp coded website. You're going to get a 250,000 ad campaign. You're going to get the JobOpp toolkit, hosting, lead capture pages. You're going to get Facebook marketing training, YouTube marketing planning training, banner ads, flyers, email swipes, ad copy, bonuses, and discounts on future ad campaigns. Order today. There's no monthly fees involved right here. It is a one-time payment. This is available in the USA and worldwide. How awesome is that? JobOpp is an instant online opportunity. This thing is awesome. Hard checks in the mail, sent to you every single day, every single week, every single month, like clockwork. You definitely want to get you some of this right here. What you want to do next is click on the button below to get started with your own JobOpp business, and you too can begin to collect $150 cash commissions. This is an all-cash business. Step 1, sign up for JobOpp. Step 2, click on the next button below. After you sign up for JobOpp, you'll be taken to the next exciting video that will help you jumpstart your JobOpp business. Click the button below to start your own JobOpp business, and you too can begin to collect $150 cash commissions. Welcome to JobOpp. See you on the next page. Thank you.